All right, so let's actually start with our grease pencil module. But before starting that out, we need to add a grease pencil. So I already have a grease pencil here. And I already explained you what is exactly grease pencil. So grease pencil is basically like an outline structure created from this grease pencil node, where if you can do shift A and do grease pencil, where you can add a grease pencil directly. And let me actually enable this, and you can see we have a grease pencil. And just one note, you can only visibly see a grease pencil from your camera perspective. That's why I added a camera. But if you go out of camera, you can see it breaks the illusion, because it is like a fake outline surrounded on top of your 3D model, correct? So that's how it works. And let me actually give you the first module, which is read, and we have named layer selection. Now understand something about grease pencil, that grease pencil works on the basis of layers. Okay, so you can see we have object data property, we have our layer, and let's actually name it base layer, correct? And let me enable this because it is just vanishing for some reason. Okay, so we have base layer, which obviously contains some operations. Here you can see I can do some opacity, I can add a mask, I can transform this. So there are some operations inside that layer, and it works differently, obviously, but because if I add a different layer, and let's actually add a new layer, and new layer is going to be different. Let's just say maybe, I don't know, multiply blending mode, right? And let's actually do some translation maybe on X and Y 1 and let's do Susan, right? So it works like that. But you can see currently both of these layers is enable, but if I disable one layer, you can see it is disabling the second. Means if I disable one layer, it will only keep the one which is enabled. Now why am I telling you about the layers? Because named layer selection works exactly like that. It lets you choose between the names of layer in your panel, and it will not work like this. So let me get rid of this and let me add a named layer selection here. So you can see it shows me the layers, but inside my geo setup, and it can be helpful if you ask me, because you can add this to feed the information, to use the information, and you can select this like that. So currently, because I had my original grease pencil, and if you can't see it properly, let me actually just modify it a little bit. So I just increased the stroke here, right? Basically that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking my name layer here, and I'm just feeding that inside my Susan, correct? So that is the exact thing happening right now. But it lets you basically choose the named layer, and obviously you have a string input, so you can also put something here in the string and you can just input it. Basically that's what our grease pencil read is doing. It is just taking that value, just like our this layers, it is just taking that, but inside our geo setup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.